Welcome! In this lesson, we're going to learn about if statements in Python. Conditional statements help control the flow of your program by making decisions based on certain conditions. Let's dive in and start exploring. What is an if statement? An if statement allows you to run specific code only when a certain condition is true. For example, if you're checking whether a number is positive, you can use an if statement to check that condition. Let's start with this simple example. In this example, the program checks if the number is greater than 0. If it is, it prints the number is positive. How to compare values? You can use comparison operators like chak kaishish, aish, and chaks to compare values. Let's check if a number is greater than 10. If the number is greater than 10, the message number is greater than 10 is printed. Using input for decisions. You can also ask the user for input and use it in an if statement. For example, let's ask for the user's age and check if they are old enough to drive. If the user enters a number 18 or greater, the message, "You are old enough to drive," is displayed. Making decisions based on strings. You can also use if statements to compare strings. For example, here the program checks if the name entered is Alice, and if it is, it prints "Hello Alice." Today we learned about if statements. These help you make decisions based on conditions. Comparison operators. These let you compare values and make decisions. User input. You can ask for input and use it in conditions. String comparisons. You can compare text in an if statement. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to use else and elif to handle multiple conditions. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.